things. In another message elsewhere, she told me, you know, when you sit on the screen, you don't just sit. You know, you sit and take over the space. I said, okay, small girl, sit and take over the space. And so I did. And then she taught me to speak English well. I came with an interesting accent. My editor, Isaiah Cabrera, will tell you that because he's sitting here. But she helped me to clean it up and even encouraged me to take up French. You heard that she was doing French? She encouraged me to take up French, and I did a few lessons at Alliance. That was Catherine. She would impact you. I want to finish with making a challenge. So we sit here and we talk about our beloved with very many words. Her life was significant to each one of us, even to those who don't know her. They have seen it on social media and they have said, hey, there's a great Kenyan